Hi guys, myself Ranjan Khosla. I would like to share one of the component which is very crucial for the kitchen cabinets, which can be used in the overhead kitchen cabinets to enhance its beauty and workability. It is the mechanism which uplifts the shutters, and out of that, one of the most economical and cost-effective mechanism is what normally people call it gas shock. Value for money component, but one has to look into the material and the quality which it gives to enhance the beauty of the product for the long time to come. The major thing is what kind of a raw material is used to make the tube of the gas shock. It should be the virgin steel, which normally most of the factories or the companies don't make it. That is why it is grey in color most of the time. So we recommend that the color of the gas shocker tube should be the white one, because of that one can very well make sure that the tube is made of the virgin steel and not the recycled. Another thing which really helps in moving the uplift movement is what kind of the gas is being used. Normally, in most of the gas shockers, it is a normal gas or the oil which gets leaked. But in Marsun, it is the nitrogen gas. So it really helps in that uplift movement for long time to come. And what the major benefit is, its load bearing capacity, where you need two gas shockers for 900 mm by 350 mm shutter. For Marsun, even if you use one gas shocker for 900 mm to 350 mm shutter of 150 Newton, it is more than enough. So it really saves your time and the money also. To compress the gas and to hold the gas, the sealing should be done by the brass ring, which normally not many factories do because it is costly. We can say that there are three most important things. One, the tube should be made of virgin steel. Another, the gasket should be made of brass. And the main thing is the filling should be of the nitrogen gas, which will make the movement smooth and life longer of the product. I hope this video was helpful, and if there are any questions, please leave in the message. We will be more than happy to take care of that and give you further info.